Today I'm creating a bridal makeup look. I am Dimple and this is episode 8 of making it easier for brides. After my skin prep, I have placed this primer where I have pores, textured skin and eye sweat. I have prepped my eyes with a concealer. I'll be using soft neutral tones to set that concealer. I'll start with this pink and place it on my outer corners. I'll then use a brown and blend that pink. I'll then go with a deeper brown and place it over that and make a very defined look. Now I'm using a brown pencil, smudging it and placing some brown over it in a dabbing motion. Then I'll take a fluffier brush and blend that in. For glitter, and go with a golden plus champagne shade for the center of my eyes and bring it towards inner corner. Then I'll use this pink with bit of golden in it from Huda Beauty and place over that golden only at the centers. Then I'm taking this brown and blending the edges. Then taking this highlighter and only placing it in the inner corners for more highlighted sort of a look. Tightening again with K Beauty black pencil and smudging it again with a brown so that it looks very defined. Taking a fluffier brush with no color and smoothing all the edges. Now to start with the face, I'll use this e.l.f. Hello Glow for some dewy glowy look. Then I have used NARS in the shade Strombly on all my pigmented area. To hide some more pigmentation, I'm using this concealer from PAC and blending it all in with a fluffier brush. Then I'm using this concealer to cover all the yellowness from the concealer earlier I used. Then using NARS in the shade Fiji only on the areas I want to highlight. Then using a bronzer on all the required areas, a cream blush from Simply Nam. Then curling my lashes, setting it all before I set it with a loose powder. I'll use it in a good amount. Then I'm using this brown pencil for tightlining my lower lashes and using this brown pink to smudge that brown pencil. And setting the cream blush I have used earlier, using it on chin and tip of the nose makes the whole look very similar. And how can I forget the highlighter? Using it only on a few high points, placing a bindi. Moving forward with lipstick, I'll cover the whole lip with this brown contour stick. Now using a pink shade from Simply Nam and topping it up with a peach shade from Kiro Beauty. Blending it all together and topping it up with a gloss from Maybelline in the shade Moon. And that is my final bridal look. Also, you must have learned how to create a very defined and neat look. Let me know if you have any questions below.